Hi, my name is Change, and my topic is me who feels under pressure. When I came into the world from the day I was born, I know that I was under pressure because I cannot ever remember not being under pressure. My father had this thing where he would tell us we had to be better than average. So when I started school, C's was not acceptable. Majority A's, B's, but we had to be better than average. He had this thing where he called it the best I know. I call it the best I know theory. He would tell us, he is the best he know at everything he does. He's the best that he knows, and we need to be the best that we know. When I was a school teacher by trade. When I started teaching, I said I want to be the best teacher in this building. Then I want to be the best teacher in the city. That's the kind of pressure I'll put on myself. But since finding this meditation and learning the method, I don't have that anymore. I know that I am enough. I don't need to pressure myself to be better at anything. I need to take one day at a time, just live for the day, and the peace I have, I wouldn't trade it in for anything. There's no pressure. I am enough, and this meditation has given me a great outlook. And I don't, like I have my nieces and nephews around me. I don't pressure, I try not to, pressure them the way I was pressured. I encourage them to do what they can and do their best at it, but it's not the pressure of just all the time wanting to be the best. You are who you are, and you are enough, and that's just the way that I feel about it. And I will not stop this meditation because it has given me my health. I was overweight. Since I have started meditating, I'm down about 70 pounds because I don't carry everything that I carried before. I can relax now, and the pressure is over.